Yes, hello, what's up people, Migdat Chewala here again. Today we are going to play a new game called Fidget Trading. So you have to trade stuff and like see how I play. You can play. 1 second. Now, anywho, so there are puppets you can trade. There are this stuff, and this stuff. So you see the numbers. So you can't run out of that. If you run out of that, you'll need to get more. So okay, first I'll trade my square puppet. He'll trade me that one. Then I'll trade this. No trade. Add more. Deal. See? So that's how you play. Okay? And sometimes add. Oops, my bad. Yeah, anywho. So yeah, that's how you play. So anywho, let's play. So this time I think I'll go with this one. Okay. Trade. Let's go. A bear puppet. Anywho. Now I think I'll unlock this for 3 ads. So first I'll pause the video until 1 ad is done, then the second, then the third. Okay folks, I'm back and so I watched my 3 ads and now I've got 2 earpods. So then I've got one of these fidget spinners and I can buy, since I have 900, I can buy this cat, that thing, this game controller and headphones. So I think I'll buy the cat. So I have 2 cats also now. So first I'll sell the earpods and a cat. No, add more, trade. I got so much puppets. Another ad, folks. Okay folks, so the ad is done and you trade, it says. So anyway, now in games there is, wait, I think I'll get something else. Oh wait, I can get this bagel thing. So what is it anyways? I'll trade that. A dinosaur. Add more. Now I'll trade this. Trade more. Trade. Haha, I got so much of that good money stuff. Okay folks, so the ad is over anyways, and yeah, it's another amazing trade. So yeah, I've got that good stuff now. Now I'll see what I can do. So I have 5 ducks. I'll trade 1 duck for now. Don't you dare put trade. Now add more fidgets. 2 more fidgets. I'll give you this trade. Haha, I'm getting all that good stuff, folks. So much goody good stuff. Yeah, smiley. Oh, not that, folks. Okay, folks, the ad is over. And here, so, okay, amazing. Yeah, I'm getting that good stuff. Another ad, folks. Folks, my other level has started. So now I think I'll trade, I need food. I'll trade this baby thing. Come on, yeah. Deal, let's go. Folks, another ad, but it's over anyways. Over. Now, anyways, so, here, there may be something I could trade for, I'll trade this 7, I have 7 Among Us puppets. Sorry. More. Give me some of that good folk thingies. More. He's telling me to add more. Okay, here. More. Deal. Haha. I got so much good stuff and he just got 2 puppets. One sec, folks. Okay, folks. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Maybe I could play one level. So okay, here. Add more. More. He's telling me to add more. Okay, take one more square puppet. I'll give you more. Give me sand. More stuff. Okay, deal. He's telling me to add more. Find one more puppet. Add one more. Chalo, let's go. Traded. So much of that good stuff. Ugh. So one second. Okay, folks. So I think I'm gonna end this video now. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Oh wait. So I'll not end this video. Maybe like I can play with puppets. I didn't know that. Pop. Think I'll play with my Among Us one. Pop. What is this? Cool. So folks, this is Migda Chavala signing off here. If you want me to play more and make longer videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Bye.